Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are fixing my broken nail, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too if you need it. And I hope you don't need it because I don't want you to break a nail, but if you do, here is how to fix it and everything you probably have at your home, so you don't need anything special like gels or things like that. No, this is something that is very available to everyone. So I had a very bad break on my nail. I cannot believe it. I made a video about it on how I broke my nail and everything like that, so I'll have it in the description box below if you want to know more details. As you can see, it's terrible break and there is nothing I can do to it. It actually hurts. Yeah. But anyways, let's fix this baby. I'm just seeing how down this break is, and then I'm taking glue and I'm going to actually apply it directly on the break first, as you can see me doing in the video. And I'm using super glue. You can use nail glue or super glue. I had super glue on hand, so that's what I'm using. Just hold it in place to be like your natural nail would be, and then I'm going back and applying more of glue, and I'm concentrating on the side of my nail where the break is, because that is the first place where it will start to crack again. Make sure to concentrate the glue out on that spot. But now I'm using a little tea bag and I'm cutting a little piece out, and I'm going to apply it. I am again using glue and applying it. And then I'm going to place the little tea bag on the break, and I'm going to go back and apply more glue over it. And don't worry, this is not too much glue, because the reason we are applying this much glue is to secure everything. Plus, we're going to do some filing and buffing, so that way when you're buffing, filing your nail on top, you don't want to leave it like this is a mess. No, so you want to buff it, and that way when you're buffing your nail and filing, you will not catch your natural nail, so you will not damage your nail, rather you will remove the glue. So that way you will not damage your nail, and eventually you will have to cut out your nail, because honestly this break is so bad. So there is nothing you can do to it. But I don't want to cut my nails extremely short, because it will be painful, because it already hurts. I'm going to apply my regular base coat that I always use, just to smooth everything out and give a beautiful surface so I can apply my nail polish again. And you see, this is there was no break at all, which is something that I love. Obviously I know that there is the break, so I do know that this nail is broken, but he's okay. But it's okay. Anyways, I had to wash my hair. Yes, it's such a big deal when nail is broken and you have to wash your hair, because we do know that every single little thing gets your hair, your hair gets into little breaks. But actually, my nail didn't move at all. It survived my long hair and everything and water, so all was fine. My nail still looks the same, so whoop, it's working. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you learned how to do it. You can see it's extremely easy to repair it. I just really hope it will stick around, and so far it does. It really does work. Eventually I will have to cut it off as my nails grow, but I will keep you updated as always, and I will talk with you in my other video or some of my videos that are on my channel. There is many. There are tips, there are tricks, there's nail designs, there is live videos. I hope you guys like it. Leave me a comment. I love hearing your feedback. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Until next time, bye.